Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Make.com subscription. So first up, go ahead and log into your Make.com account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to organizations. All right. Now wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to these tabs and click on subscription. Just click on it. Now, the next thing that you would need to do is just go ahead over to my plan right here at the top right, besides the payment method. Click on it. And here you should be able to see a cancel button. Now go ahead and select cancel subscription. Now once done, click on the drop down. And here you have your options. All right. Just click on it and select your preferred reason. All right. Could be maybe a free plan is enough. All right. And once that's done, it will need you to leave a few words that would help Make.com. All right. Go ahead and hit on submit. Once you're done, then go ahead and click on no thanks, as it will give you another offer. All right. Again, hit on no thanks. And once done, hit on got it. Then in the next page, just go and click on cancel subscription. And once done, you're good to go. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.